Hello guys, today we are going to make two different way New York cookies. Here we need 160 gram of flour, 70 gram of brown sugar, 2 gram of baking soda, 100 gram of butter, 1 egg and vanilla, and 70 gram of chocolate chips and 1 pinch of salt. At the first we will melt the butter in the low temperature. You can make it brown also, but I didn't make. At the second step, we will mix them with the sugar, the melted butter with the sugar, we will mix them. We will mix 5 to 10 minutes. After we will add the egg and vanilla, we will mix them 30 seconds to 1 minute because they mixed a little bit. After we will add the flour and baking soda and salt. When we finished, we will mix them with the hand. Don't mix them too much because it will be soft. Now we will add the chocolate chips. We will make them 90 grams, and we will bake in the oven for 170 centigrades for 7 minutes. This is the first cookie, crispy from the outside, and it was too much delicious. For the second, we need here 100 gram of butter, 50 gram of brown sugar, 60 gram of egg, 150 gram of flour, 25 gram of corn flour, 2 gram of baking powder, 1 gram of baking soda, and 70 gram chocolate chips, 1 pinch of salt. At the first, we will mix the room temperature butter with the brown sugar. We will mix them 5 to 10 minutes. After we will add egg and vanilla. We'll mix them 1 minute to 30 seconds because they mix a little bit. We will add the flour and dry ingredients. We will mix only little. If you mix too much, it will be soft. After we will add chocolate chips and we will mix with hand. This is our dough. We make 90-gram rolls and we put in the oven for 15 minutes, 170 degrees, 170 centigrades. Thank you for watching. Don't forget follow, like and subscribe.